fireplace. Come up these stairs. It's nice and bright up here, so that's good. So, and then you come in the door. And this is it. There's the bedroom. Closet area. There's a window here. Looking back out into the apartment. Chris and James are in the kitchen. What do you think, James? So that's our nice kitchen, and does anyone know what that is? Should I tell you? That's the washing machine. I don't even think I know how to use that. Like, what? Open it. Have you opened it?
Yeah, it's like, I don't know what.
Where did the clothes go?
I don't even know if it opens more. Hold on. There we go. Yeah, it does.
So does like does that piece open now? Do your clothes go inside that?
I'm afraid to touch it. If anybody knows how to do this, comment down below. Am I gonna lose a finger?
Please, oh my god. Oh my god.
Hell? Like, that's terrifying.
Oh my goodness.
Okay, I can get it now. Small spaces. Okay, interesting. Yeah.
Right.
Alright, so when you push the button on this thing, be very careful.
Yeah. Yeah, so that was exciting. So this is it, our cute little place. Let me open the windows and we'll see what's outside. Oh look, there's where we hang our clothes. Oh, looks like somebody lost something off of the hanger down there.
Did you see that shirt on the wall?
No.
There's a shirt stuck in a tree that was blowing like a flag.
Oh, that like blew out of somebody's...
Look at the big church up top of the hill.
Oh wow, good spot.
Zoom way in so everybody else can see it too.
We should carry our suitcases up there. That sounds like fun.